Hello, my name is Aaron Rostad,
My name is Shaker Sharma.
And I'm Neil Uroy.
and we're doing fixture tracking and storage redesign at Scientific Drilling in fulfillment of our Cal Poly IME senior project. Today, in this presentation, we will start out by giving a brief introduction of Scientific Drilling. Then we will talk about the current problems occurring at Scientific Drilling, followed by our timeline and next steps for the rest of this project and spring quarter.
Scientific Drilling is an international and independent directional drilling and wellbore navigation company that mines for oil and gas. The company is founded in Houston, Texas in 1969 and has grown rapidly over the years, serving customers worldwide. Their global footprint has reached over a dozen countries and in nearly 50 locations, with their Applied Technology Center based in Paso Robles. This is where most of their research, development and manufacturing is done, and over 20% of their total global workforce is on this campus. Currently, Scientific Drilling's workers are dealing with daily distractions due to a lack of formal process in storing and tracking their fixtures as well as their test equipment. Right now, there is no way of finding out where a certain fixture is without blindly searching in areas that it usually shows up in or by asking the surrounding employees. Many times, this leads to a wild goose chase of who used it last. These distractions take away time from workers on the line as well as engineers when they are interrupted by workers looking for equipment.
In order to improve the efficiency of the production line and help decrease wasted time of all the employees, Scientific Drilling and our team have decided on the following deliverables. An implementation plan for them that includes a design for the new tool crib where employees can check in and check out tools. A cost-benefit analysis so that the company has a ROI to show to upper management that the investment is worth it. A database that is connected to the RFID or barcode scanner that keeps track of different usage statistics, which will be decided as the database is created. SOPs to help the employees learn to use the new crib and so that there is a standardized procedure. This will increase accountability as well as efficiency. We found the project by asking Karen Baines if she had heard of any local companies in need of young IE professionals to help them with anything. And this was done in winter quarter of week 1 and continues as follows. Once we got in touch with Scientific Drilling, we visited the facility for our first meeting and obtained a good knowledge and background of their problems. Then we wasted no time in looking at what we needed to do for the project and determining a work breakdown structure. After that, we were able to create a proposal and send it to Scientific Drilling for their approval. This introduction and background of information, along with the researching literature reviews related to our topic, expanded our knowledge and gave us a better direction. We have collected some survey data and are going to get more for cost-benefit analysis between RFID and barcoding in the near future. The next step will be to make drafts of the deliverables to send out to our advisors for feedback and to Scientific Drilling for further approval. The long-term goals are to finalize deliverables, complete the report, and present our findings and recommendations to Scientific Drilling and the IAB.
Next week, we will be meeting with the production supervisors and employees to discuss and collect information on all the fixtures and test equipment used. From this, we want to get a better idea of the entire footprint of all the fixtures before we begin to make drafts of the tool crib layout. Once we have the complete footprint, we will begin to categorize all the tools with an ABC analysis. Then we will use various lean tools such as spaghetti diagrams, work sampling, and flow process charts to measure the current state of the process. After that, we will begin to create a database to track the tool checkout process. The database will serve many purposes, such as to create reports for tool reordering and auditing the tools in their locations. At the same time, we will begin to draft out designs of the tool crib based off tool usage, weight, and tool type. Finally, SOPs will be made for adding new fixtures, updating tool revision numbers, and of course the overall checkout process. These SOPs will make sure the proposed process is controlled and sustainable. The end goal of this project is to create a tool checkout process and storage design that can not only be used for this production line, but to be replicated throughout their entire facility. This was our senior project presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please contact Aaron Rostad at the email shown. Thank you.